Hey, what is up everybody? Josh Quinones here, and today we are going to be taking a look at the AKG N700s. Now these are Bluetooth wireless noise canceling headphones, and I did rebox them so you can get a look at the unboxing experience and see what comes with the headphones. So in front of the box, of course, we have a picture of the headphones with the Bluetooth symbol to let you know that these are wireless headphones. Then on the back is another picture of the headphones and case they come in, which is actually really nice, which you'll see here in a bit. Now these are the silver version, and it also lets you know what comes in the box. So let's take a look inside. Now the whole presentation is actually really nice and opens up just like a book. And right away you see the nice case it comes in that actually feels like a nice premium material that is going to protect your headphones very, very well. And under that is your user manual, which you can chuck to the side since no one ever reads those. Then on the other side of the box are the accessories such as the charging cable, the flight adapter, and a 3.5 to 2.5 millimeter headphone cable just in case the battery runs out. You could still use a wired connection. Now let's talk about the headphones themselves. They are made of a plastic material with a nice silver finish, but don't get me wrong, they don't feel cheap at all. Then up top you got a nice soft material that makes them comfortable to wear, and also around the ears are nice, soft, and cushiony. Now these headphones are actually really comfortable and fit nice around the ears, and they aren't too heavy either. So on the left side is the audio 2.5 millimeter jack, volume buttons that also double as skip forward or backwards, and a button to answer calls or press pause and play. Then on the right side is the power switch, the smart ambient button, which allows you to temporarily mute what you are listening to and let in outside sound, and then the micro USB charging input. Now, aside from being great looking and feeling headphones, we need to talk about the sound, because that is just about the most important thing when trying to find a good pair of wireless headphones. Now, I gotta be honest with you guys. I was actually really impressed with these, especially with how well they block out the outside sound. The noise canceling works great, and the sound is actually really, really good. They give out a nice, crisp, clear listening experience. The only thing that I would want more of is the bass. Now, don't get me wrong, you can hear the bass perfectly. It blends in very well. I'm just the type of person that loves a lot of bass, but overall, in my opinion, these are great headphones that produce great quality sound. AKG has always been great about that. And the battery on these headphones is great as well. It definitely gets me through the day and more with off and on usage. Now the price on these is around $350 on Amazon, which, yes, it does sound like a lot. I feel like it could be maybe just a little bit cheaper, but if you do find yourself interested in these, I will have a link down in the description below so you can go ahead and check them out for yourselves. But leave your thoughts down in the comment sections below. Just from this video, do you think you'd find yourself interested in these wireless headphones by AKG? You guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you did find it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos to come. This is Josh Quinones, and I will see you all in the next one. Peace out.